What's up guys, and in today's video we'll be looking at the top 10 best Honda engine swaps. Starting at number 10, we have the B18 LS swap in a Civic. Many times the LS engine can be a better choice than the B16 or B18 C1. With low boost friendly compression and lots of torque from the get-go, the installation of the LS swap in a Civic is simple as all the other B series engine, meaning very easy. Using stock mounts is recommended, and knowing how to swap the B series engines is one of the easiest Honda swaps out there.
Shit is crazy.
Number 9, B16 swap in a Civic. Easily one of the most popular Honda engine swaps out there. B16 engine that should have been put into USD Honda Civics from the get-go. Dual overhead cam configuration and lots of value for the B16 engine swap. There are so many B16s out there that sometimes the biggest challenge can be figuring out exactly which B16 you can have as a donor. A large source of these B16 engines is of course imported JDM engines, which result in a roll of the dice to see what B16 you might receive. Number 8, a B20 swap in a Civic. The B20 is the 2-liter version of the popular B series engine, commonly found in the Honda CR-V. This engine is cheap and plentiful, making it a great choice for the top 10 best Honda swap list. Like the other B series engine in its family, the B20's installation into a Civic or Integra is very easy and can be done using stock or factory mounts. It's cheap and there are so many of them out there that finding replacement is easy and stress-free. The large displacement makes the magic 200 wheel horsepower number a bit easier to reach if you're intent on staying with the B series. Number 7, F20 S2 2000 swap. We're stepping outside of the box here at the halfway point of our top 10 best Honda engine swap list with the F20 S2000 Honda swap. Available from 1999 to 2005, the S2000 is a track-ready roadster powered by a 2-liter F20C as well as a 2.2 liter in the F20 2C. 6. Type R swap in a Civic. The first of the B series engines cracks our top 10 best Honda swap list. The B18C5, the best possible factory engine from this era. Bold this engine if you do not want to tune or modify the engine any further, and you've got yourself a potent combination of small engine displacement and sky-high rev limiter. J series swap in a Honda Civic. More displacement and the larger engine means there's no need for many additional modifications or changes. Good thing too, because once you have put one of Honda's 60-degree V-Series V6 J series engine into a Civic, you won't have room for anything much. Number 4, we have the B18C1 swap in a Honda Civic. When you think about every single way you can imagine the pros of a B-Series swap, the B18C1 simply trumps them all. Cheaper than the Type R engine, the B18C5, and more torquey than the B16. B18C1 is found in 94 to 2001 Acura Integras with VTEC. The cost of the B18C1 swap has gone down somewhat, but is still not very cheap because of the high demand. Swapping the B18C1 into your Civic can ridiculously transform how your Civic drives from the get-go. Number 3, the H series swap in a Honda Civic. The black sheep of the Honda engine family has enjoyed a recent rejuvenation as of sorts, as the H series swap in Civics has found new life with the H2B transmission conversion. Using the B-Series transmission allows the H-Series swap Hondas to enjoy a wide range of B-Series transmission components like flywheels or clutches. Further, the short gear ratio and host of aftermarket parts for the B-Series transmission make it easily one of the most popular mods for anyone who owns a 8 series swapped Honda. Civic, the cutting edge of technology that drives the new IV-Tech mechanism in the K-Series engine, first burst on the scene in the Honda Civic EP3 SI. This dual overhead cam engine strays quite a bit from the older B-Series cousin, but the K20 is undeniably at the forefront of Honda engine swaps. Number 1, we have a G23 swap in a Honda Civic. One of the best possible combinations of cost and horsepower. The G23 swap in a Honda Civic is not for everyone. Gone are the easy bolt in and swap guides, because most of this engine build will require some serious planning and engine work. This is a Frankenstein engine of the Hondas, made up of several different Honda engine components. Use of a single overhead cam 2.3 liter F23 short block with a H22 cylinder head can result in an excellent 2.3 liter VTEC Honda engine. People with the proper knowledge and patience can build an awesome G23 that delivers more power and torque than the K-Series engine at a fraction of the cost.